Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all channels or messages at once in Telegram on your PC step by step. If you want to quickly clear multiple chats or remove channels from your Telegram account, here's how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open Telegram on your computer and sign into your account. If you want to delete all messages from a specific chat, open that chat. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the chat window. From the menu, select Clear History or Delete Chat, depending on what you want to do. Confirm your choice to remove the messages or delete the conversation. If you want to leave and remove a channel, locate the channel in your chat list. Right-click on the channel. From the menu, click Leave Channel. Confirm your choice if prompted. Repeat these steps for any other channels you want to remove. At the moment, Telegram does not provide a built-in feature that lets you delete all channels or all chats at once with a single click on the desktop app. If you need to remove multiple chats or channels, you'll need to delete or leave them one by one. And that's it. That's how you can delete channels or messages in Telegram on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.